Gear skipping under load is at the very least annoying or possibly dangerous. This topic is quite a bit more complex than one might assume, so I'll try my best to make it as easy and intuitive to understand as possible. The most common cause for jumping gears is a worn chain. There are specific chain checker tools available, however most home mechanics wouldn't have one of these in their toolbox, so there's a quick but less accurate way to check how worn the chain is. First, shift to the largest chain ring in the front and the smallest in the back. Pull the chain as shown. If there's a sizable gap between the cog and the chain needs replacing. If not, the chain is good. Like a worn chain, stiff links can cause skipping gears. If the cage of the derailleur pops back and forth while you ride, you might have a stiff link. If so, put some oil or chain lube on the link and work it until the link frees up. If you've had to replace your chain, the cassette or freewheel may be worn. Check to see if there are any broken teeth or if the teeth itself look particularly worn. It's quite hard to check for worn teeth, so if you're unsure, consult with your local bike shop. Another cause may be a misaligned derailleur. Check the pulleys line up with the cog you're in. If not, turn the barrel adjuster like shown. In some circumstances, the part that attaches the derailleur to the frame, called the derailleur hanger, might be bent. In this case, the only way to straighten is with a derailleur hanger alignment gauge. You could try pull the derailleur to bring it back into alignment, however a derailleur hanger is most commonly bent and twisted in many different ways. Lastly, if you run a 2 or 3 bike, make sure not to shift in the gear where the chain is at a diagonal. This stretches the chain and may possibly cause gears to slip. Hopefully your gears are shifting as good as new after this video. And with that, your bike is a little safer and much more reliable. Thanks guys.